Welcome back. I hope that you were successful in completing the syllabus quiz at a 100%. Please note the specific date highlighted for your course section. There are also some other assignments that need to be completed during the first week to avoid being reported as a no-show. Your next step is to click on the course content. After you've completed the syllabus quiz at 100% by the deadline, you should be able to see these unit folders. We will begin in Unit 1. At the beginning of each unit folder, you will see a Learning Activities chart. This lists the week with dates, the due date, and what you need to work on for the week. Scroll down the page. There are learning objectives listed, and we will begin with Week 1. The first assignment that you will work on is the first week writing assignment. This is the area where you will submit this Word document after you have completed it. Click on the PDF file so that you can open and read the instructions. Click OK. The instruction sheet will come up. Be sure to read all the instructions and explanations carefully. There are lots of questions for you to think about on this first assignment. The specifics of the assignment are listed here. For this assignment, you will need to type 3 paragraphs with at least 8 sentences. The specifics for each paragraph are listed, so please read carefully. You will need to type your paragraphs using Microsoft Word. Please see the first video to download Microsoft Office on your computer if you do not already have this. Be sure to save your Word document, and then be ready to upload the Word document in the assignment area in Blackboard. Below is how this assignment will be graded and how many points it's worth. When you have typed your Word document and you're ready to submit it, you will click on the link that says Submit Here. This page will allow you to browse your computer. You will locate the document that you've saved that you would like to insert. You will open it. You will see that it will attach it, and you will submit. It will warn you if there are no files attached.